German banking startup N26 will be prepared for an initial public offering by the end of 2022. Co-CEO Maximilian Tayenthal said in a latest interview. With a $9 billion valuation and challenging incumbent banks, the stakes are high and they have raised immense interest from consumers, banking, venture capital, and regulatory institutions. So, why will we finally see the highly anticipated public IPO of Neobank, N26 and others in 2022? Why now, you may ask? Good morning, everyone. This is Marek from Payment Genes, and today it's all about payments. Neobanks have established a foothold in the market. Globally, 1 out of 4 customers have a relationship with a neobank, and the shift in banking is accelerating. 28% of Gen Z and 31% of millennials now call a digital bank or a FinTech their primary bank account. Many neobanks did not even start as banks, but led with consumer-friendly services that leveraged a consumer's existing bank account, which is the key differentiating factor between incumbents and neobanks. From our perspective, customer centricity will continue to be decisive in the fight for market share between incumbents, challengers, and even regional banks. But offering a glimpse in the future, we are already seeing regional banks and community banks being crushed, whilst mega banks and neobanks in the US are benefiting from the consumer shift to digital banking. But how come, you may ask? Well, neobanks have been able to focus on the ecosystem business model and personalization, something that financial institutions and incumbents have proven to perform quite poorly. As a financial institution, leveraging customer data allows you to make intelligent and meaningful offers. But remember that personalization isn't about selling products. It's actually about making customers feel comfortable and valued during every interaction that they have with you. FinTech is exploding in the public markets with a record number of public listings across 2021, with the likes of Neobank, Marqeta, Wise, Robinhood, Affirm, and many more listings publicly last year. Moreover, besides the number of companies, 8 out of the 10 largest FinTech IPOs have occurred in 2021, meaning that the bar has raised and the path has been laid for neobanks to IPO for record-breaking valuations. Neobank's IPO back in 2021 gives a very good impression of what is possible after becoming the most valuable financial institution across Latin America. We actually already called it last year that Neobank's IPO would pave the way and initiate momentum for other challengers such as N26, Revolut, and Monzo. When N26 and other neobanks decide to pull the trigger on IPO, it seems that a leading metric or indicator revolves around the total number of customers, revenue, and profitability. So that begs the question today, which neobank do you foresee will be the first to IPO, and why do you think that? Let us know down in the comments below. For now, I'd like to thank you all again for watching and looking forward to see you all again next week. Cheers, bye-bye!